Let us make your subscription simple and clear. In this video, you will understand your plan and how to upgrade. When you start, you get a free trial. During the trial, you enjoy full access to everything. This lets you explore GOF POS with no pressure. When the trial ends, a short grace period begins. The grace period gives you time to subscribe. If it lapses, the system locks until you subscribe. Your data stays safe the whole time. To subscribe, open the subscription screen. Choose the plan that fits your business. Then upload proof of your payment. Our team reviews and approves your payment. Once approved, your plan activates right away. When your plan is ending, you renew the same way. Higher plans raise your limits as you grow. That means more products, more customers, and more users. Higher plans also unlock powerful extra features. For example, adding product images to your catalog, an online cloud backup to protect your data. Pick the plan that matches where your shop is headed. In the next video, we will explain offline mode and backup.